Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk 4-wheel drive, stock number E2324A. Only 17,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back. Folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, rear parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control. Trailering package with load leveling suspension. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And additional underfloor storage with the removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, that's also where you set the adaptive cruise. Paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year, along with dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. And USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive. Along with the adjustable height suspension with 2 off-road heights. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.